My name is Noah Weiss. We are at UCSF, the Laurel Heights campus in San Francisco. And what I do here is I work as a statistician and I analyze biomarkers of aging. I'm a very curious guy. It's my nature. The thrill of discovery is so unique and captivating that when I first experienced the excitement of analyzing data, I knew immediately it's what I wanted to do. I knew I wanted to study mathematics and statistics. That coupled with the fact that I didn't have the personality to become an accountant. But kidding aside, as a statistician, you have the opportunity to work in everyone's backyard, as the late statistician John Tukey once said. And by that, I mean you develop the skills that allow you to work on very diverse projects ranging from time travel to biology. I personally have worked with financial and legal data coming from biosensors, satellites, school systems, a museum, and I followed my interests and what I was passionate about to my current position here at UCSF, where I am a statistician working with biomarkers of aging to understand cellular stress responses and how healthy behaviors can help protect against aging and development of disease in the brain. Happiness. It seemed like a lot of the research they did was something that I had always been happy reading about in school and reading papers on. And one of my favorite academics ever, Nancy Adler, worked across the hall from Eli's office, so it seemed like a sign. I can't even describe how important their work is to me. It's why I kind of am here in the first place, that type of work and reading their papers. And I get to know that I'm working in an office next to theirs. It's pretty awesome. I really enjoy the thrill and excitement that I feel in the rush of having data and just seeing the findings fall into place. And I get paid, and I get to publish papers. I'm interested in the type of research that, let's say you have people who are higher income and people who are lower income. People who are higher income tend to have better health outcomes than those with lower income. So I really am interested in looking at what types of health behaviors those in lower income brackets can use and pursue to sort of improve their health outcomes without necessarily needing pharmaceutical drugs or anything. So one of those health behaviors is physical activity, another is nutrition, obviously, and mindfulness practicing. Much in the same way that Batman reaches for his batarang from his utility belt, we statisticians seek out the appropriate method from our statistician's toolbox. For me, what it means is coding data using Excel or a number of other software programs, and then telling the software program what it is I want the program to do. For example, I recently used something called mixed modeling, which allowed me and my co-authors to test the hypothesis that an individual's reactivity to a stressful event differs based on whether or not someone is an exerciser or a non-exerciser. And what we found was that exercisers, when compared to non-exercisers, encounter the same number of stressful events per day, but on average, exercisers are less reactive to those stressors, so they get less upset about it, and at the end of the day, it has less of an effect on their day overall. My ultimate goal is to make some sort of intellectual contribution to the world of science, maybe get a Nobel Prize while I'm at it. That would be nice too. Find something that you like to do and you would do for free. And then if you can find someone to pay you to do that, that's great too. Try to figure out what it is you want to do through internships or research experiences. Contact a professor in a class that you really enjoy and just ask them if there's anything they're working on that you can help with. Just even if you're not sure about it, it's, process of elimination can also help you figure out what it is you want to do.